Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to read iMessage without seeing. Reading a iMessage conversation or a iMessage is pretty easy method. Just follow these easy steps to do it. Go to your iPhone message app and as you can see I received a iMessage. Now I will read this iMessage without opening the conversation. So all you have to need tap and hold the conversation and here you will see the conversation preview. And in this preview you will be able to easily read all recent iMessages. So here we can see I can easily read this iMessage without seeing. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.